All right. Good morning, everybody. I'm actually doing this last night, so I'm publishing it this morning because it looks like the people that watch is mostly in the mornings at around 9 o'clock. So, guys, before I start, this is a really cool looking EV car. Definitely hit that like button so that I could be definitely relevant to the YouTube algorithm. Do consider subscribing so that obviously we talk about all EV, all electric. We do talk about stocks in a run through, and then also crypto. But here we'll talk about the high performance ones like Tesla, Lucid, Nio, ChargePoint, Volta, all these other good stuff, so that you can make that decision, that informed decision of what you can invest in the future, because we know that the chip shortage is there. We'll definitely talk about that right now, but we also just kind of talk about everything that you need to know regarding investing, taking profits, stop losses, when should I get in, when I should get out. Although I'm not your financial advisor, that's going to be something that I'm going to be doing, and I'm sharing that with you. Please do subscribe so you can be part of the family, part of the community. I do want to thank all my 62 subscribers. I started this channel like last Saturday, and I'm really I'm thrilled that you guys are sticking with me. Now, I did say this, that once this channel does get monetized, I will make an account, and all the earnings that I make through YouTube, I'm definitely going to put that away so that I can go and show you what I'm doing with it. So I'll be really transparent. I'll do some giveaways. I'll give some money out. I don't really need that money, guys. This is just like extra stuff, but something that I want to show and be transparent about. We're here to make money together. We're not being emotional. We're just here to get facts. I know most of you have like work and school and a family, and you guys don't have a lot of time to kind of do all the research. And this is what I'm going to be doing for you guys. I'm pretty much compiling everything that I see on the internet, analyst news on the radio, on TV, on CNN, NBC, everything, all YouTube channels as well too. I'm getting all that, compiling it, and making a video for you, and also to track my progress and making sure what I predict is completely right. So the stock of today is going to be Nio. Nio, if you guys don't know, it is a leading Chinese EV manufacturer. Now, what you see right here is going to be their pretty much flagship. It's called the ET7. Now, Nio, the company, is based off of China. All right, they started in 2018 and making deliveries during the pandemic, limited sales, and no one wanted anything to do with it, Nio, because it's a pandemic. But when the coronavirus died down, the EV market came up. Nio was obviously about to lose its business because everything just was like not going the way it planned. But everything turned around. Okay, so one thing that I really like about this company, everything turned around, and they started seeing a surge in the mid 2020. So kind of show you what it looks like. I don't know where it is, but there was an analyst that did talk about it, and he did say like in the mid 2020 that it went up. So I think that's like really awesome. I think that shows a lot of resilience in the company. It shows a lot of potential. Because if you can get through a pandemic, your business can get through anything. And I feel that for them sticking their wits and doing it to make sure that they fulfill their promise to the people, it's great. So we'll talk about the ET7. I mean, they have several cars. They have five seaters, 6 seaters, and 7-seater electric SUVs, which I like. I like SUVs. And they also have smart sedans too, but this is a smart sedan. So this goes to actually 621 mile range, a little bit more than Lucid, but I don't know if this is EP. I don't think this is certified. 644 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Again, guys, I'm telling you these things so you can make that decision if you want to invest in it or not. Okay, so this is all facts. All right, the length is about 5,098 millimeters. You got the wheelbase at 3,060 and a width of 1987. So kind of similar to a Lucid, pretty wide, pretty agile. Okay. When you look at it, really sleek. It has that nice design. And the seats do remind me of Lucid, to be honest. The seats as well too in the Lucid, they go back. It's nice, but I like this area right here just because it just looks like Lucid. It just reminds me of Lucid. And again, I'm a big Lucid fan, everybody, if you didn't know. All right, China has a massive market, obviously. We know that, and it's a fast-growing EV. They have like the the most population and of a race, of a lot. Okay, so kind of give you an idea what happened during September. Okay, in September, the EV market dropped in 25% in the U.S. Toyota Motor fell 35.9%. Honda 28.1%, Nissan dropped 26.2%, Volkswagen 40.6%. So it's pretty tough this month of September. But as you know, the EV market is rallying up in November. They call it stock up November, or they said up November. So kind of thing, like it's happening. Okay, it's happening right now. So when you look at Lucid, when you look at Nio, Tesla's leading the way, guys. So I'm invested in Tesla. I love Tesla. That was like my first EV investment. But I think Lucid and Nio is going to be the runner-up, okay, as well as Rivian. Okay, there's also Polestar 2 coming out. But those three are like my favorite. I like Rivian just because it's a truck. Lucid is because I want to get into it because I was too late with Tesla. So we're kind of looking about the market. Let's look at the market today because we're kind of wondering what's Nio and was it even up today? Was it? It was up today, actually. So when you look at the all-time highs, I'm going to look at the weekly chart. We're looking at 66.99. Okay, so this is going to be the height. So there's also ways to go. And, Nio is a really, really, it's not like it doesn't go down 10%. It doesn't go up 10%. It's a really steady 1 to 3% increase. Okay. And today, why was it rising? Right here in this area? Actually, it's not even in that area. Why did it go up? Why did it go above the $42? Was because the Deutsche Bank reiterated a buy rating on the stock, maintained a $70 price target catalyst call buy list. So that's 28.5 increase over the past month. So from October 4th, it was 33. It's now 44. So just think about it. It may go up again. How much percent of that, to 51 by the end of November, December, possibly 60 or 70. So you're telling me that's going to go up to 70. So the Deutsche Bank, they said this and they maintain this in tip ranks. It says 66% or $66 on the price range. So if you go back, go to tip ranks, at 72 at the high, 59.91 on an average of all analysts. Top analysts, you're looking at 60. Okay, I thought that was pretty awesome. I think this is something to look into because even if you look at Lucid, that is not Lucid. Lufax. My apologies. I don't have the premium. I'm definitely gonna get a premium. I'm gonna look at some YouTubers and see if they have some deals. But they actually had this at a $40. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. For this stock, I truly feel that it's going to be having its ups and downs. I do think that it's going to be having some tough times. It has some pretty good resistance area right here. So it has to break this resistance area and then go through here. Okay. But what it looks like, I did mention in my last video, the cross is about to happen with the 100 EMA and the 20 EMA. Once that yellow line goes underneath and that purple goes above it, we're going to see a really good rally up here. The volume looks nice. The MACD looks nice. Look at the Stoch RSI looks nice. It's not even overbought yet. It's rallying up, guys. So that blue has to cross. The orange has to stay maintained. And once we see that, we can see a little bit more green candles rally on up if this goes up. So what am I thinking? I'm thinking, I don't want to make any positions right now just because I believe that once it's making its run, you don't want to do that. I mean, wait for another bottom, another resistance. If it breaks the 46, which I don't think tomorrow it will. Friday's not a really good day. But something to look after. Something put it on your watch list, understand it and love it. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about Nio. Let me know what you think about the EV market. I'm gonna hit it back with you guys again, with some gems, some nuggets. Again, just because a stock goes up, don't chase it. Do not chase it. Meaning to say that if it's running up like 5%, 10%, and you're like, oh shoot, let me get on it. No, you don't want to get on it, because what's going to happen? They're going to fill you, depending on what broker you are. If you do TD Ameritrade, they fill you higher. If you're on Robinhood, if you wanted to get, let's just say for numbers reasons, you wanted to get in at $100, you're probably going to get in at 105 or 110. It really depends on the spreads. So you got to be really, really careful, because you will lose money and you will be red when you get in. And that's not the red you want to get in. I mean, you want to be red when it's hitting the resist, or when it's hitting the base every single time. Boom. If it's in the 39, boom, 39, boom, 39. So you can make some really good money if you're going ahead and short selling every single time. So if you're doing a day trade, that's kind of what I would do. I would, or swing trade, I would buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low. If especially it's in a range as it's been, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. And that's kind of like how you make money intraday and on a swing. But I don't really do that anymore, because day trading was really stressful. I have kids, so I don't want to be stressed the whole time. I'll be okay with my portfolio down 10%, when you go all in on something, which you never should do. When you do stock options, or you do just equity, you put a whole bunch of shares in there, and you're gonna be down. You gotta have that patience. And it's kind of the same thing with holding. You gotta have that patience. All right, guys. I hope you liked this video. Nio, definitely on my watch list. I hope it's on yours. Let me know what you think on the comment section down below. Again, if you're not part of this community, if you're not part of this channel, please subscribe. Let me know if you've done so. I'll give you a shout out. You know what I'm saying? If you're just here to get the news, if you're here just to get the objective information, just go ahead and subscribe, like, and also hit the bell button. The bell button is going to be on the right of the subscription. All you got to do is press the bell button and press all. All right, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys for thank you for the subscriptions. I really do appreciate it. This just allows me to do more work, and all I can ask is just like it so I can stay relevant. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.